Hi friends, I am Isha, your guide to IELTS, study abroad, interviews, and getting your dreams visa approved. In today's video, we are talking about a topic that's frustrating, painful, and very common. That is student visa rejections. Whether you apply to Australia, Canada, the UK, the USA, or any other countries, getting a rejection mail can feel like your entire dream is broken, right? So, but the truth is, many rejections can be avoided. And even if your visa was refused, you can fix it, reapply, and get approved the next time as well. So, let's understand about it. Why student visas get rejected, what you can do to prevent it, and how to reapply with confidence. Let's start with why student visa get rejected. Now, visa rejections happen for many reasons, okay? But here are the most common ones and how you can avoid them. Number one, weak statement of purpose. That also means as SOP. Okay, a poorly written SOP is one of the biggest reasons for refusal. So, what are the solutions for writing a clear, genuine SOP? Okay, include these things in your SOP, such as why you choose the course and university. Mention it properly. Your career goals, why you are returning to your home country, why not study in your country, and how you will fund your studies. And the last tip is make sure your SOP is personalized and not copied from a template. And the second reason for rejection is insufficient financial proof. If you don't show enough funds to cover tuition fees, living expenses, and your visa will likely be rejected. Now, here are the solution for it. Provide bank statement last 4 or 6 months. Another one is fixed deposits, education loans. And the third one is proof of income from parents or sponsor. And here is another one tip. Include translated documents if they are in a local language. That means you have to write it down in English. And the third one for getting visa refusal is doubtful intentions. That means not a genuine student. If the visa officer feels you are not a real student or planning to use the student visa to settle abroad, they will refuse your visa. And solution for it are clearly explain your intention to return after studies. Be ready in the interview with answers about your future plans. So ties to your home country, that means family, property, job offers, and other more. And the fourth reason for visa refusal is academic gaps or weak records. Having big gaps or poor academic performance without explanation can be risky. And a solution for it are explain any gap here in your SOP. Mention internships, volunteerings, or family responsibility. And the third one, so improvement in a recent scores or language tests. Now, I will give you pro tip for it. Always give honest but positive reasons for gaps. Now, fifth reason for visa refusal is low English test scores. Many countries such as Canada, UK, Australia, require a certain IELTS, TOEFL, or PT score. And solution for it are practice more and retake the exam. Second one, consider alternative tests. For example, Duolingo or ELLT if accepted. And the third one is focus on the writing and speaking section. These often pull your scores down. And most of the visas are refused because of suspicious documents. So now, sixth reason is suspicious documents. If any of your documents seem fake, unclear, or mismatched, rejection is almost guaranteed. And the perfect solution for it is only submit authentic and properly formatted documents. Double check name, spellings, dates, and signatures. Avoid using unregistered agents or false bank letters. Now, let's talk about what to do after a visa rejection. If your student visa is refused, don't panic. You can reapply and be smarter this time. In step 1, read the refusal letter carefully. Every refusal comes with a specific reasons. Understand the quotes and verdicts. This will guide your next step. And the second step is fix the problems based on the reasons. Okay. Number 1, rewrite your recipe if it's not correct. Number 2, improve your financial documents. Number 3, retake your IELTS or PT test for better scores. Number 4, add supporting documents you missed before for providing your documents in a stronger way. And the number 3 step is be transparent in your reapplication. In your new SOP or interview, you can briefly mention the previous refusals and how you fix it. For example, my previous application was refused due to incomplete financial documents. I have now included full proof of funds from my parents and updated bank statements. Fourth step, get professional help if needed. Sometimes it's best to get your SOP reviewed or talk to a visa expert or counselor, especially if the rejection was due to complex reasons. Now, here are the tips to avoid your future visa rejections. Number 1, double check every document. Write a clear, specific SOP. Know your course, fees, and career plan. Practice for interview questions. Never hide information and be transparent. Okay, if your student visa got rejected, I want you to know this. Okay, it's not the end of the road. Many students get rejected the first time and they'll get approved with the right guidance. If you want help rewriting your SOP, preparing your documents, or doing a mock visa interview, I'm here for you. And drop your questions in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who might need it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.